In order to clone apps on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to Settings. Then over here we want to scroll down to Apps. And then here we need to select Dual Apps here. Press Create. And now we can enable the duplication of the app. We can clone the app by tapping on the switcher next to the app. So let's say I'm gonna duplicate TikTok, and then I can press turn on in order to create the second version of the app, and there we go. We should be able to find the cloned version in the home screen, as well as the app drawer over here. We can of course tell the difference by the additional icon in the bottom left corner. And that's pretty much it. Well, the cloned version has different data, different settings, and so on and so forth. So you can use, for example, 2 different accounts on these 2 apps if needed. And if you want to remove the clone, then of course we can turn it off by uninstalling the clone version by tapping on the switcher. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!